Alright, part 3. Some more. One flying and trying to catch a fish. I'm glad I'm doing it right now. I don't have people standing in the background. Oh, I like that. Oh, you have a live one back there. All right. Hello there, Dougie.
So here we go with the raffle. It's going on full disclosure, guys. Just let me know everything going on. So here we go. Look at this bad boy here. What a beauty. Look at detail. Excellent claw. Raccoons. Beautiful piece. $500 for 500 for 400 400 300
Kiki. Oh, got the leg off of Christmas Story.
130, 140, 140, 150, 160. You want to be 160, 60, 70, 180, 180, 180, 184, 190, 190 now 200. I'm up to 200 for 200, 200.
Only you.
190 now 200.
Used to be only you can prevent forest fires. Now only you can prevent wildfires.
240, 250, 260, 270, 270.
It should be only you can prevent wildfires and forest fires.
270, new bidder, 280. Don't make it 280.
Yep, you got Penn State Nittany Lion in a different form.
You bought her 290, number 76.
Let's step back on this.
That's the pace we're going to try to maintain. So now we got the blacks.
A whole bunch of eagles. Eagles. Owls.
Nice piece with the detail, good items there. 20. What do you want to be up $100 for? $100 for 100 up to 75, 75, 75, 50. Forward up to 25, 25, 30, 25, 30, and 35, 35, and 40. But up to 5, 45.
Yeah, there's an auction. As I said, there's an auction going on, but I'm just filming the wood carving stuff that the person carved out.
70, 75,
oh, nice.
75 now 80, $80.
A horse.
75 now 80, now 80, 75 now 80, 75, 80. 80 just in time.
Well, I'm not sure that's that nice.
Now 90, now 90, but up to $90, 90, now 100, 95, 95, we'll stay 5, 95, 90 here, now 95, 90 here now, 5, 90 here, 95, anybody else up to 5? He's back, now 105, over to up there to 105, 100 here, 105, 100, 105. You bought her $100, number 76, thank you. Okay, now we're going over to the 5.
I think I'm done. Except for one, this little area right here. Here it comes. Ah, look at that one, cutie pie. That's a cutie pie there. Where do you be on that one? Get me started, $100 for it. $100 for it. Here, 100 up to 75, 75, $50 for it. Up to 50, say 50, 50 bucks. 25, get me started, 25, 27, 30, 32, 35, 37, 37, up to 7 to 37, now 40, up to 40, up to 2, 42, 42 and 45, 47, 47, up to 47 and 50, 55, 55, 60, 50, 60, now 65, 65 and 70, up to 70, up to 70, 65, 70, 65 there now, 70, up to 70, 70, new bidder, now 5, 75, don't lay bid one, 75, $80 for, 80 here, 75 now, 80, 75, 80, 75, 80. So far. I could give you a view of place there's other things at. We have a cake wheel here. No, I'm just filming stuff. You have a cake wheel, huh?
Yeah.
I know it's 25 cents.
Huh?
I know it's 25 cents. I'm not going to even try to get any cakes this year. Alright, we have Little Pine coffee menu. Got funnel cakes at the end.
I would get the peanut butter.
Cinnamon glazed nuts, almond cashew pecan.
Pina colada.
And get free samples. We have hats over here.
Support the venture crew.
How are you?
Doing all right.
Okay, thanks.
Soup sale, bull.
Weekend.
What's that?
Having a good weekend?
Always have.
Chicken corn, ham,
That's
beans,
great.
veggie beef. Oh, what's over this way? We have different types of shirts. Apple butter for $10. Oh, sausage, beef, hot dog, hamburger, cheeseburger, french fries. Other than the coffee and the beef sandwich, I pretty much seen that yesterday for the last 4 days. Well, that's all I can do at the festival here. I think the festival's pretty much I filmed everything here. I'm gonna head back to my car and I'll go head out to a certain place I want to go to next. Before that, I want to show you this right here. This is part of a bike trail that goes from here clear up to the top of up to Wellsboro. This is this direction, and this is that direction. Just showing you what it looks like. I'm glad I had no music playing. Just walking back to my vehicle now. Giving you a look at the view around here. Some like a gazebo over there. That might have another name, but I think that's what it's called. It looks like a area where you put a picnic table and you can sit out there and have your tea. I'm just giving you a look of the greenery in the spring. Middle of the spring right now, down in May 4th here. It's a cool spring right now. It's not a warm one right now. It's in the 60s. Alright, well, I'm probably gonna put this up in the video up in not all at once. I'm just gonna go a little at a time today. Once I get an area where I have a good place to do it, because where I'm located right now, I'm in a valley. So I'm almost back to the vehicle, so I'm pausing. Whoop, I didn't mean look in the road. Sorry about that. Look at this old church here. You have the the spiral or steeple and all that. What's the church? Might be a house. I stopped up here. This is an old Waterville building, which is a tavern, and it's probably had good to eat and everything. I'm going into McConnell's Country Store and look at the pumps they have. Country stores right here. RC Cola Country Store. Let's see. Nice by Creek Valley. A nice small bed. Alright, spiders everywhere. Wow, that's not a huggy sound. Oh. Candy cigarettes, huh? Unusual to see down where I live. So. Except in one spot, I don't know if they have them or not. So. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah.
All right, you're good.
It's okay. I film a little bit.
What?
Okay, film a little bit.
Yeah, you're fine.
All right. They want to show you what they have at a country store. They have these glass and all candles. Got some stories. Ghost hunting in Pennsylvania. Rubber boots. Campfire foodie cookbook. Cool. Sounds interesting. I'm not touching, so do not touch the glass. So don't touch the glass. Pennsylvania Fireside Tales. There's a couple areas up the road that's kind of like this. You can see the neck down. Oh, backyards. Backyard what? Hunter's blend, steak seasoning, backyard burger blend, and backyard. I got more steak seasoning. Pine Creek. Oh, Pine Creek Koozies. Pine Creek Valley Koozie, Waterville, PA. That's where I'm at. Honey. That's honey, pickled okra. Dill chips. Honey. Syrup. I'm probably gonna pick up a hoagie or something there. Oh. Sorry, a boxing raccoon. A boxing raccoon. That's a cool one. I got back here is, I guess, is fishing stuff back here. You can get your hunting license here too. Frog Togs outerwear. And you have taxidermy animals. Coyote. That's not taxidermy fish up there. That's statue. Got ducks. I think one's an egret. More on this side. Whoa, that one's looking right at you. Right at me. And well, if you want to get some slip-ons, I don't know how much. Okay, Timberhawk fly fishing combo outfit. Alright. Most scary thing I've seen in here is in that mirror. Oh, it's me. I still like that boxing raccoon. I got some bear cubs. Get this up. More. Oh yeah, this camping stuff. You have pie makers, s'more maker. How much is a s'more maker? I don't know. What's the difference? Sometimes I don't know the prices of anything in here. Got hatchets over here. Got tools you use for camping, knives, tick kit, tick patrol, adhesives, and we got a dry pack. Oh, red, white, and blue girl and a red, white woman in a red, white, blue bikini, and we got a whistle. Hot whistle. Got an orange whistle. How much are they? They don't have the. That one don't have no tag on it. I'll have to go ask them about how much the whistles are up there. Down here got some tents. stuff. More carved animals. I got a bear, an eagle, and a Native American. They must be really like me. They put a fan out here. Alright. Okay, these right here. Bradford Guide. Pennsylvania. State Forest Guide. I know. I'm a Lone Ranger, huh? lone warrior. Oh. I found some moose. Moose, a fox, and a bear on some socks. A moose and a fox and a bear and some socks. Okay, that sounds like a poem. Alright. We got some travel blankets. A pink one. And a red one. Some shirts. Sweatshirts. Happy camper. Oh. Happy camper, alright. I believe every place out in the middle of nowhere you find Bigfoot. But you can't find them in the woods. Alright. Okay, we have an ATM. There we go. Alright, this area has some egg salad and chicken salad, cheese, pneumonia. This is the store part. Potato chips, sea salted. Just say sea salt. He love a good buttermilk chips. That's different. Every time I come in the store, it gets crowded. Ingle hopper, cream style horseradish, some dipping mustard, spinach and artichoke cheese dip, mini pancakes. Oh, got some country store. They say one of the favorite ones here. Country store blend hot smoked sausages. And here they have horseradish, onion, steakhouse onion, Swiss pepperoni. Right there's, I think, bacon horseradish. And there's horseradish right next to it. Some buffalo wing, hot and plain. And up on top you have onion and dill cheddar cheese, extra sharp cheddar. As I said, cheddar makes everything better. Orange juice. They make orange juice so you can't rhyme anything. Iced tea, Valley Farm milk. Oh, over here you get the duct tape and black, all kinds of stuff for cooking. Pizza cutter. Oh, got some Hershey ice cream, which is not made in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Or is it? Well, let's see. It's made in Hershey. I'm not worried about it. I'll look somewhere else. Okay, we got chocolate chip polar bear. Oh, Andy's mint. Oh, I didn't see any. That's what I came in here for, and I don't see any. Nothing that's not in a 2-liter. Alright, well, I'll catch you in the next video.